Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download ShipWise application on your iPhone. To download the ShipWise application, first of all, make sure that the device is connected to a stable internet. Now open your App Store. Go to the search box and type in ShipWise in the search box. From the search result, look for this application and tap on the Get button to start downloading ShipWise on your device. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your device, and once it is done, launch the app open and get started using your account. So that is how you can easily download the ShipWise application in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.